Okay, so welcome back. So in this video, we will be talking about the Rolle's Theorem. So, ano nga ba yung Rolle's Theorem? So, ang Rolle's Theorem is just a more specific case ng mean value theorem which we will be talking about in our future videos, no? Pero ano ba sinasabi ng Rolle's Theorem or ano ba yung theorem, no? So, ang Rolle's Theorem is sinasabi na if we have a function, let's say f, such that f is continuous between a closed interval, okay, a comma b. So take note, kailangan closed intervals, and f is differentiable in the open interval a comma b. Okay, so dito open interval, dito closed interval, and take note that f of A is equal to f of B is equal to 0. Pag na-satisfied ng function, yung tatlong condition na to, sinasabi niya na there exists a value C, okay, between A and B. Okay, so between A and B such that the function derivative of f of C is equal to 0. Okay? So, ito, sinasabi lang natin na pagka meron kang continuous na function, differentiable na function within A to B, and meron kang endpoints A, B, na kapag ka-evaluate mo yung function doon to be 0, then meron kang point somewhere sa gitna ng A and B such that meron kang horizontal line or meron ka ng derivative doon na equal to 0. Okay? So, paano natin i-explain yun graphically, no? Para hindi natin to kailangan kabasaduhin. So, ibig sabihin, say for example, we have here a graph. So, this is the x-axis, this is a y-axis. And say, ito yung 2 points mo. So, this is B, this is A. Okay? So, sinasabi, we have here a continuous function, differentiable siya, wala tayong any cusps, wala tayong any breaks, di ba? And we have here two endpoints kung saan pag in-evaluate natin yung A and B, A equal sila sa 0. Tama? So, there exists a point C somewhere between here, so we can assume this is C, kung saan yung derivative will be a horizontal line. Or the derivative function evaluated at C as equal to 0. Okay? So actually, pwede rin naman na let's say a random function, 'di ba? So say random function, say ganyan. So this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, and let's say this is our point A and this is our point B. Tama? And again, from the Rolle's theorem, sinasabi niya na meron tayong point between A and B kung saan yung derivative natin evaluated at that point would be equal to 0 or we have a horizontal line. So, in this case, meron tayong dalawa dito sa taas and dito sa baba. Okay, so we will be solving an example of this in our future video. So, see you in the next video.